Hi guys, Ashton Court Mansion House again. We were here last week because I wanted to try the mini boat in the water here, and it decided the battery was flat, so we didn't actually try it. So I've charged it up again. We will see. Hat camera on. Lights on there. Put it in the water. Is anything going to happen? You're going to tell me you've gone flat again, but this time I've brought the charger. Yeah, that's not going to come on again. But because I expected it to fail, brought the charger. And my new power bank. So the light is on, indicating it's charging. We'll come back to that in a few minutes. In the meantime, I shall play around with that glider. Right, the light has gone out, so hopefully we're good to go. Maybe. We got a light on. Yay! Yes, finally. Right, I bought this one specifically for playing in puddles. This is a bit of a bigger puddle than I had in mind. supposed to do tricks. Okay. That was the tricks. After a certain length of time, the light goes blue and you can do tricks. Oh, light's blue again. I was stuck on a bit of stick. Right. It's not doing the tricks that I expect it to. When we were testing it in the kitchen sink, it actually rolls over when it was doing the tricks. No, it's not actually rolling right over. Okay, well, it did a bit of a trick. Expect battery will be flat in a minute. Got fast flashing red light. So we'll call it in before it dies. So we finally got to test it. But I'll have to read the instructions again to find out how to do the tricks. Oh, the light's gone out. When I tried it in the kitchen sink, the light didn't go out at all. So it just kept running, and I think that's why it keeps flattening the battery after you've charged it. If you don't charge it and then run it straight away, the battery runs out. Anyway, that's it, we finally got it running. Not the type of pond or puddle I intended to use it in, but we were here the other week, last week, with my wife's relatives, so I gave it a try then, and the battery was flat. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.